Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and right now I am playing with my cousin, so say hello. Hi. Okay, so we are going to play some Roblox. Hello? Hello? Did she leave?
No, she missed it.
Okay, I need to sign out. Okay, I'm gonna sign in. I'm gonna log in, actually. Nobody, and I swear, guys, if you do, I will ban you from this game. Alright, never mind, you can't see my password. You're so stupid. Okay, log in. Oh my god. Nice to meet you, ghostman.com. Let's make an account. I didn't make an account? I know. Wait. Sign in. Poop. Something happened. Go back. Is it Seabass? Seabass. Poop's going on right here. Wait, I think I know what it is. Come on, work.
Work.
Come on. Oh my, okay, I'm gonna have to sign in.
You gotta believe in the Rocky.
Okay, I'm signing up. I'm making a new account. I always do that whenever I can.
Paulina.
Wow. Wow. Right now I'm talking to her on the phone and... Why?
Because people can't hear your
No.
Yeah, they can, Session. You're stupid.
No.
Session, you're being stupid right now.
No.
He is. Watch. People are going to his Roblox and be like, I wasn't wearing that. I'll be like, well...
No. Okay, please work. No, it ain't pausing. Okay, I'm signing up. Yeah, it worked. It worked.
I'm simming over.
Oh my god, you could freaking play Pokemon Go in Roblox, and there's already...
Well, you can?
There's 3,000 people playing. What the heck? Oh, there is trading. Look, I just looked right here. There's trading. A username? I have no idea. What? I have no idea what my username is. Oh, wait.
Just
What R? Oh, it's Ghost Splitor 1. I'm joking. It's Ghost Splitter. How do I make friends? How can I search you up? Actually, I want to change my person.
Just look her up.
Let me go to avatar.
I'll probably know.
I ain't no white boy. I'm removing the hair, so I'm bald. Now I'm putting on some facial hair and sunglasses, and now I'm a boss. What? My hands are gonna be black because I'm a black boy.
Okay.
Go hands. Oh my god, I look like a demon. I look like a demon. It's you. Oh my god, will the feet turn black? Ariana does not look like you.
In Roblox Session.
Ariana does not look like you. Ariana. Get wrecked! No, I'm joking. By the way, purple is my favorite color. So I'm gonna change my person. Purple. Purple's life. Oh my god. Can you give it to me now?
It's girl hair.
I don't care. I will wear it. Not joking. Rocky looks drunk.
Session, did you look up her username?
No. What's your how do I search it up?
Oh.
Oh, okay. What's your username?
It's Nana Legendary. It's N.
Nana Legendary. Okay, I'm just gonna search it out. Nana Legendary. It says no results were found.
Wait, did you type it in right session?
Yeah, I put a Nana Legendary.
Did you just type it right? Did you type it right?
Yeah.
It's in, you could spell it.
You typed it in wrong.
Okay.
Yeah, you spelled it.
Okay. Okay. Tell me.
N
N
E
E
N
N
A
A
L
L
E
E
G
G
E
E
N
N
D
D
A
A
R
R
Y.
Y. Search users. Okay. Oh my god, you're here. Okay. I'm searching you up. Add friend. You wanna trade? Do you wanna trade? Please?
Colleen's like, nah, you suck.
Please? Please?
You,
Please?
Sebastian.
Give me.
Oh my god, your hands are so purple!
Yes, purple equals life.
He's like, bro, be quiet. I got to sleep. I'm playing Minecraft after
Oh
Minecraft.
my god, Minecraft's for noobs.
Minecraft is awesome.
Join party.
What party? Oh,
Join a party.
join party.
Doors.
Oh my god. Hi, Dumbo.
You call me Donald.
Okay. Hi, Donald Trump. Hi, Donald Trump. I'm joking. Okay. Go into a game. Go into a game.
Okay, this game is like,
Just do it.
oh my god, that's
Just do it. Okay, I'm gonna search and do the disasters. Hurry, disasters. Why can't I join? I can't join. Why? It says I can't join. Well, it's not sending me a message.
let me check again.
Chat and party, make friends. Won't have friends. Huh? Oh, right here. Okay, launch application. Okay, I'm doing it. I can't do it.
You know what sucks?
Huh?
Sims 4 costs about $36.
What the fuck?
Hey, you could play online with people in real life.
Really?
Yeah,
Oh my god, that's okay.
like around the globe.
Okay, that unless you're going against Asian people, because Asian people always win. Okay, it's
Wait, Sister, what'd you
upgrading.
say?
Huh?
Asian people always what?
They always beat. No, it's Chinese people. Chinese people always beat every game. I honestly have no idea how. If you're a Chinese person watching this video, I'll come for you. No, I'm joking. It's no offensive, but you guys are penises.
I can't see.
It's still okay. It's starting Roblox. Okay, I'm joining. Hold on, let me close this door. I'm a little hungry. So, Rocky, I wish I had face cam on. I want to show Rocky's beautiful little butt.
Ask Daniel how to do it.
Rocky, did you pee on your chest? Because it's wet. I think you did, because it's wet. Rocky, this is disgusting. To your nation.
Oh.
This is disgusting to your nation. Your nation.
Hey, he's cute.
Your nation.
Session, she asked if you can exit out the game.
No. It's requesting server right now.
Oh my god, can you get out?
Bro,
No.
it's like your goddamn Wi-Fi, you're so slow.
I'm not going out. I'm staying in this party until I'm a full Mexican.
Do I just press play now?
Just join the game. I think we'll be in the same one. 'Cause remember that one time we were?
Whenever it says shut down, that means
Fight. Paulina, if there was a boxing match against me and you, who do you think would win?
then are you?
If there was, he said if there was a boxing match against you and him, who would win?
It's not a boxing.
He said if.
What's going on the screen?
It's still requesting the damn server.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's what.
You know what? I might just go and play Animal Jam right now.
Don't be like that.
That's how sad I am.
Don't be like that.
Okay, I'm gonna go on
I don't have a giraffe yet.
I'm going on Disneyland. Okay, Animal Jam. Okay, I'm going to welcome Animal. Wait, what?
Oh yeah, you ready to like build that
Yeah. I knew that in the beginning.
01, and I believe the password.
I'm so happy that
Pauline, are you still a non-member or a member? Die, bunny, die. Die, bunny, die. Die, bunny.
She's killing a bunny, your favorite character.
Hey, I needed to survive. I'm almost dead. Damn it!
Yes, I did.
Wait.
No, I reset my account. Ooh, drag the image from the left to match the image on the right.
You know what's awesome now? Now we can edit.
Wait, what? Drag the image from the left to the matching image on the right? Drag the image from the left. Okay.
Freaking die, bunny!
Okay.
Killed it.
Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm making a new account. That's what happens when I can't do stuff. I'm creating an animal. A very sexy animal. He's gonna be so sexy that not even Rocky could look at him. You know, I'm gonna pick a giraffe.
No, it's because he's making a new account. You butthole session!
I'm joking. I'm gonna be the Arctic sexy wolf. He's so
You
sexy.
can't be.
I'm being the sexiest wolf on earth.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be General. Bubba. Spirit. Oh my god. Oh, I could be a ghost. Okay. Spirit. General Spirit Ghost. Oh, that's a sexy name. Ghost. Ghost Splinter 1. You know what? I want to be 1 because I am 1. Yes. Why? Why do you want to know? Okay, I'm pausing the video, guys. Wait, what?
She said pigs are sexy.
Wait, pigs are what?
Oh my god, session.
Pigs are what? Pigs are what?
Sexy, god damn it.
I got it on video! Well, guys, it looks like I'm going to end the video here. I'm going to make a new one for part 2 of Animal Jam. See you guys later.